Hello, have a nice weekend. I'm Cherry here. Today we look at some of the strong sectors and the hot spots. First, for Singapore market, the technology sector like the AEM, the other shares, the IP, the IFAST, they're all very strong. So we should be very happy or happy, right? And for 2020, we have 1 month and 1 day left. And we should prepare for the year 2021. So the stock market chances, which sectors we should monitor, and also for the coming 5G time, what we should do. And the December 12th, next month, the e-commercial sectors and how to prepare. And also, currently the most hot sector is still EVsector, electric vehicles. So let's see one by one. This video is only my personal view with the Homilychart analysis. All the cases here is not for recommendations, and every one of us, we should be responsible for our own investment. Okay? So here is the list of the 2020 to 2021, the market chances, the technology sectors, and the traditional concept shares, e-commercial, and the EV sector, and the 5G, and even the vaccine benefit sectors, and also the new energy, the solar energy, and also some new shares, just the IPO one. We can also have a lot of chances. Okay, here is the 5G. We can do some homework, just like the telecommunication industries. This is the most benefit sector, nearly take up more than 75% regarding the 5G concept. Next one is electron industry and also computer industry. Even the national defense and the military industry all will benefit from 5G. See, last year, 2019 is the beginning of 5G, but in the next 10 or 20 years, it will more and more important in our everyday life. So this infrastructure relating shares or the user terminal, even the internet application, this relating shares we can put in our watch list and monitor. Whenever the big fish come and have signal, we can consider. Okay, for Singapore, one is the BRC for the infrastructure, but not even the big fish come and also the price stand above the rainbow white lines, as the white lines still flat, so long term still sideways. Once the white line turn up, we may have big chance to do. Okay, and netly, this one also regarding the 5G. Currently it rises a lot already, and currently sideways at the resistance around 98. Once the resistance level break up and the big fish come, we have more space to go. So now just wait for the big fish. And the Tesla, the EV sector is really very hot, like the Tesla, the NIO, the Workhorse, Xiaopeng, and the Li Auto and the Caixin, all this in 1 month around, it rise 200 to 300, even much more percent already. But currently, it may have some small pullback, may have some small correction. But after the correction finish, you see here, whenever the red bar break up purple line, the red bar means big fish, the institutional money. This purple line means the 10-day moving average of the big money. So every time, whenever the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance to buy, to add position, or to consider again. Okay, for short term, every time the red bar break down purple line, we can consider short term take profit. But for mid long term, once the price move above the rainbow lines, move above the yellow line, the blue line, or even the white lines. So it means the mid-long term, the trend still okay. It may have some correction, short-term big drop, or long-term sideways. The banker only have these two ways to the correction. Short-term big drop, 1 week, 2 week, drop 30%, 20%, many retail investors will be very scared and then sell. So after you sold, rock it up again. And another way is a long-term sideways. 1 month, 2 months, not moving, just sleeping. But the correction finish, the big fish come again, it will continue rising. Very strong. Even rising 10% already, but it may continue. So this is from the mid-long-term trend. And all the others for the US market, for the Hong Kong market, all this share, the general GM and the Geely, Great Wall, and the Ford, Beyond, all this we can put in our watch list. So this sector is very strong. At least we can put 1 or 2 individual shares in our portfolio and just follow the trend, follow the big fish. Okay? So this one is another sector, SEA. So this one is said will be included in the index. From the IPO till now, we say it's quite strong. Every time correction finish, rock it up. Correction finish, big rise. Pullback to white line, rise again. Small pullback finish, rise again. So from $13, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. Many of Homilychart members bought this one and continue hold. So if the price above the rainbow lines and also the big fish here, the red bar more than 50% means the banker built the position already. So the price move above all the rainbow lines and the rainbow lines all turn up, we can continue hold. And every time pullback finish, it will be our another chance again. Okay? Very beautiful. Also rising more than 1,000%, but not finished yet. So this one is Jumia, the African e-commercial shares, and recently also very strong. It have some short-term pullback. It's normal. It's acceptable. And the price stand above all the rainbow lines, the big fish here. Every time the price pull back to rainbow lines, it may pull back to white line, pull back to blue line, or pull back to yellow line, all acceptable. So every time the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance again. Okay? So this one, another one, ESR, the Hong Kong market. So this one also very strong. The big trend is very strong, and also the big fish here. The only resistance is the previous high, 25.9. So once the resistance break up and the red bar break up purple line again, it will be our another chance as nearly hit new high above no resistance. So this one is Xinyi. Xinyi also said to be included in the index. Currently, Xinyi have 4 individual shares, for glass, for solar energy, have 4 individual shares, all very strong. The same pattern, all the rainbow lines turn up, price move above all the rainbow lines, and the most part is red bar, big fish here. So every time the price pull back to rainbow lines again, and also the red bar break up purple line again, it will be our another chance. Okay, so this is Xinyi Solar, the same pattern. Current resistance is the previous high 15.2. Once the resistance break up and the red bar rising, it will be our another chance. So this one is the Xinyi Energy. Also the same pattern. Previous the resistance break up it will have another chance again. As this is the pattern is very beautiful. The trend is beautifully uptrend, short-term, mid-term, long-term, all uptrend, and also the big fish more than 50%. So once correction finish, it will have another chance. This one is regarding the glove and the healthcare sectors. Healthcare in April and August, very strong, and nearly every share rising hundreds, even thousands %. But after August, the big money continue flowing out until now, more than 3 months already. The big fish continue flowing out. So that's the reason why the healthcare shares, the glove shares, just sideways at the high level. We just take MedTech for example, as this one will be included in the SG Small Cap Index this month and after the market close. So this one currently it will sideways inside these two levels. The support level is 76. And the resistance level is $1.98. So inside these two levels, we can consider buy low, sell high to the short-term trading. Must remember, if the price below yellow line, one way is we just wait and see, as it will enter mid-term correction, 3 weeks to a few months, no big rise. We can wait and see, or we can do short-term trading. Buy low, sell high, do the short-term trading. Not a good pattern for mid-long-term investment. Okay, like the UG Healthcare, Top Glove, Supermax, Riverstone, Aspen, all this kind of the same pattern, big fish flowing out more than 3 months already. If the price can stand above yellow line, we may have some more chance to consider. Okay. This one is regarding the vaccine shares, NVAX. Big rise and long-term sideways and the correction. Now just break up, gap up. So if the green bar continues smaller, and then the price can continue hit new high. So we just see the big fish can continue rising or not. If the red bar continue rising, the green bar smaller, so it will be very easy to even break up the previous high resistance, as the price have the power to continue. Okay. Next one is mRNA, also very strong, nearly gap up. So if we can still hold, as the pattern here, price stand above all the rainbow lines, and all the rainbow lines stay up, short-term, mid-term, long-term, all uptrend. More than 50% will be big fish here, so for retail investor, we will be very safe. But the thing is, if you don't have, how to do? So all this kind of shares, we can put in the watch list and monitor. See, if you don't have, we can wait for the pullback. The first support is around 1 to 1.5, half of this candlestick. The next support is around the gap. It may pull back to the half or pull back to the gap. If rise again, see the red bar break up purple line. Also like the same here, gap up and then 3 days pullback, make up this gap, and the green candlestick, the red bar rising, so continue again. See, after some short-term correction, whenever the red bar rising, it will be our another chance to follow. And here in our Homilychart, we can extract all the individual shares inside the sector. See, we just click quotes and then click sector graphs, extract. See, you want the healthcare shares, you want the information technology, you want the energy, you want the financial. So all the shares, it will give us the list. We just view one by one. No matter Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, US, Indonesia, Thailand, and other countries, we just view one by one. So take the shares we need with familiar, always operate the familiar. Here is our investment philosophy. Index first, stock next. If the index is bullish, is strong, we choose the most strong sector, the most hot stocks to do. And long-term first, short-term next. If our pattern is mid-long-term pattern, we just give it time and don't miss the market chance. So we give it time, it will give us 100%, 1000% profits. And the last one, operate the familiar. We always do the familiar market, the familiar pattern, the familiar shares. Technology shares, technology one. This one is the AEM. AEM $3.26 is a very strong support. Very strong support. Every time pull back to this level, it will have some rebound. But currently, the yellow line will be our resistance. Once the yellow line break up, we have more space to go. But currently, the big fish not come yet. If the red bar continue rising more than 50, the retail investors smaller and smaller all disappear better. So it will rise again. So mid long term, it still have chance, but currently below the yellow line, only short term rebound. Above the yellow line, we can consider mid long term investment. Franklin, Nanofilm, UMS, Venture, and high P, all the same pattern. The high P different. High P hit new high already, stand above the rainbow lines. So we just choose the strong shares to consider, and we follow the big fish. This one is another Billy. For this one, this platform, the sideways midterm correction finished already. Break up and will continue the previous uptrend rising. So from around $13, now it's rise to more than 48. 64.86. So this pattern, the sideways break up and also big fish here, the trend here, so it will continue. Even it's too much high already, from 13 to 60, also nearly 500% profits already. But the thing is, the pattern here, big fish here, so it will continue. And PLTR, yesterday it had some pullback, but stop drop at half of the young candlestick, the green color candlestick have support here. See, if price still stand above this level, 26.3, so for retail investors, it's still okay. And the first red circle is only around $9, and now it's more than 27, so more than 300% profits already, and only more than 2 months. So for this kind of share, if the big fish here, and if the red circle continue, so means still got support, and if we bought very low, we can still hold, and every time the price pull back to red circle, got support, it will continue again. So we just wait for the correction finish, and we can wait here around this level or pull back to the red circle, we consider again. We follow the big fish. See, if the red bar break up purple line, here the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance again. Trend data, the same pattern. The price stand above the rainbow lines as this new share just IPO a few months. So the rainbow lines don't have the yellow line, don't have the blue line, don't have the white line. It's still too young, so only have the red lines. If don't have the white line, then the red lines will be our moving support, the banker cost line. So if the price stand above the rainbow lines, we can continue follow. This one like the Unity software. Also, we can check that one. Unity software for the games. Unity software, the same pattern, and also the new share. Rise a few days, pull back. Hit the rainbow line, got support, rise again, and then pull back, have support, rise again. So this pattern very safe, and it's the banker share. The banker is very strong. Only very strong banker, it will have this regular movement. Rise, pull back, rise, pull back, rise, pull back, and then rise again. So every time the price pull back to the red lines, and then it will be our chance again to follow. Mechanics rising a lot right there, but continue. Same pattern. Price move above all the rainbow lines and the big fish here. So every time the price pull back, it will rise again. Malaysia, the green technology, the same pattern. Price above all the rainbow lines, more than 50%, big fish. So continue rising. So this kind is our mid-long-term investment pattern, not for trading, not for trading. 6 days, now it's $1.70 and continue. Very beautiful. Even have some pullback, but pull back to the green line. So you see this green line is lifeline. Every time pull back to the green line, pull back to the lifeline, it will continue again. Have pullback, it's good. Another chance for us. See, if pullback again, hit the green line or around the green line, the red bar break up purple line will be our another chance. Great tech, also the same pattern, new share. See, now it hit the green line. If the red bar break up purple line again, it will be our another chance. Especially if the price can stand above the red line, it will continue hit new high. But once the price break down yellow line, we must out. You know why? From IPO, the share just move above the green line or above the yellow line, never break down. So means once break down, game over, we after first. No matter we do short term, mid term, no matter how long ago we bought, once break down yellow line, we after first and wait for next chance. As the yellow line will be the moving profit taking for retail investors. Yangzijiang currently 90 cents, $1 in the box, sleeping, bottom catch, top escape, and we can only buy low, sell high, no big chance yet as no big fish come. Whenever the big fish come, the price stand above $1 and then we have more chance to go. IFAST still very strong, the same pattern. Even now it's $3.60 already, but the pattern not finished yet. And also more than 400% profits. The price still stand above all the rainbow lines. So the green lifeline works well. So currently still got support. And once the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance. This one is Lufax. This is also the new share. After IPO have some short-term pullback, and then the big fish, the institutional money come again, it have some big rise. And then pullback, got support, the big money come back again. So the next resistance, our target is around 16.3. If 16.3 can break up, next profit target is 17.8. And if this level also break up, and then it will be the previous high, the $20. So for this one, we just follow the red bar, follow the big fish. The green bar smaller and smaller, the red bar bigger and bigger. So it will be higher and higher, the same pattern. Okay, today we will finish here, and I'm very glad to see you again, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, have a nice weekend.